Now you come to me and you say, Don Corleone, give me justice. You come into my house and you ask me for murder.
I ask you for justice.
That is not justice.
His name is Sylvester Stallone, but you will always remember him as Rocky.
The secret will be revealed.
Look at that. You can see the 4 states that border Springfield: Ohio, Nevada, Maine, and Kentucky.
Oh, yeah.
An empire will rise.
I have 2 buttons behind this desk. One will supply your town with power, the other...
He showed you the wickedness of men.
Lord Voldemort has returned.
They never learn.
The only true freedom lies in not being seen.
Park will open with the basic tour you're about to take.
Don't you see the danger, John, inherent in what you're doing here? Genetic power is the most awesome force the planet's ever seen. You wield it like a kid that's found his dad's gun.
These are aggressive living things that have no idea what century they're in, and they'll defend.
Rich-ass bastards can't lose nothing but cigarette butts and dirty-ass handkerchiefs. Don't forget nothing unless they owe you some money. What in the scut you doing here?
There's footsteps in, but there's no footsteps out.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
If you do try to play games with it, that's inviting it in.